Hello, everybody. It's Lynnis, and welcome to Lynnis Minutes. I hope everybody had a
anion product. A product, negative ions come from lightning strike, and we do not want to.
And it's really because I have a three-part framework or process called exploration.
some quick tips, tools, and techniques that are going to aid you in midlife. Another thing that you might want to do is visualize the new you. Now, for me, that's not as relevant, but I have a friend who did that. She had a pair of pants that she bought, and they were kind of tight when she bought them, but she bought them anyway because she would just look at them every day to remind herself, okay, I want to get into those pants. And so that was her motivation. She was visualizing herself in those new pants, which were probably maybe half a size too small or something like that. And she did make that goal. So if visualization works for you, whether it's a picture of what you want to look like or a picture or some words or motivation on the wall, if you were to see my wall, and I've talked about this many times before, but my wall has the majority of the thoughts that are inside my head. It looks crazy, which I guess you could say it makes me crazy. But anyway, when I look at the wall, it reminds me from visualization, from what it is I'm supposed to be doing and the path that I need to be on. So maybe if you visualize the new you, that will make a big difference. Another thing you want to do is you want to expect progress, but not perfection. Man, if there was any word that I would want to get rid of, it would be the word perfect, because there is no such thing. None of us are perfect. So the whole idea is that, each day you want to see a little bit of progress. You might have some setbacks. If you have some setback, don't beat up on yourself. Don't do all of that stuff. Don't make your goal turn into the thing that you beat yourself up with. That's not what this is for. The whole idea of setting a goal when it comes to weight loss or reducing inches or just getting healthier is that you just want to see some progress. Maybe you have a few good days and then you have a couple not so good days. That's life, right? You have good days and bad days. And the same thing with when it comes to setting a goal and when it comes to, wanting to make some changes in your life, especially lifestyle changes. Many times it took us a while to get to where we are that we want to change. So it's going to take a little while for us to, get back to where we would like to be or to move forward to where we want to go. So just take a look at your overall big picture progress and not the incremental stuff and say, oh my God, I ate the donut today and I should not have eaten that donut. I don't know why my voice goes like that, but when I think of donuts, I think of, full, fat, But the whole idea is to be gracious with yourself. And you want to make sure that you celebrate every achievement, no matter how small. Like yesterday, I started part of my plan from a nutrition standpoint. And I will be talking about this today at 11 o'clock at the V.I.B.E Living Challenge in the V.I.B.E Living group. You got to join the group if you haven't already. We'll be streaming live at 11 o'clock. But I'll be talking about intermittent fasting and what I've learned and what I am incorporating into my lifestyle. Well, yesterday was my first day of intermittent fasting, and I celebrated it because I got through it. Okay. Now, I did not celebrate it by eating a couple of croissants and cookies afterwards. No, I didn't do that. But I found a way to celebrate it that meant something to me.